utilizing ultra-particle arresting filters, as equipped in movable negative pressure machine. The DDVMH now maintains 99.9995% sanitized air quality in critically controlled areas. Through filtration and UV treatment, air is cleaned of aerosolized particles and sanitized of pathogens such as COVID-19. The movable negative pressure machine uses ultra-particle arresting filters that are able to scrub airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns. COVID-19, which has a size of 0.125 microns, could not pass through this filter. Ultra-particle arresting filters is superior to the high-efficiency particle arresting filtration systems because this can only scrub particles not smaller than 0.3 microns. Due to this limitation, a high-efficiency particle arresting filtration system is ineffective to scrub aerosolized droplets that transmit a COVID-19 payload. To ensure that the volume of sanitized air is sustained, the movable negative pressure machine at the DDVMH is set to filter all air in a controlled area 15 times per hour.
So first, we look for the dimension of the room, how much air capacity of the room will be. With that in mind, we took the required air change rate needed by the room, which is, by standard, 15 air change per hour.
An operating room, for example, that has a payload of 91 cubic meters of air is sanitized and maintained by cycling into it a total of 1,380 cubic meters of scrubbed air per hour, or 22 cubic meters of air per minute. This volume of air is custom set and monitored through the machine's digital controller. To ensure that aerosolized contaminants do not leak out to rooms, hallways, and areas adjacent to a controlled area, a negative pressure differential of minus 2.5 Pascal is maintained within the controlled space. This causes air from the outside to vacuum into the room and never leak out during inward and outward transit of patient and hospital personnel. An anteroom serves as a buffer to ensure that positive external air pressure does not neutralize the artificial vacuum of the controlled area. The threat posed by today's airborne epidemic requires hospitals and other medical institutions to upgrade its quarantine capabilities. It is only through behavioral adaptation and implementation of requisite countermeasures that a defense against current and future epidemics may be trusted to ensure safety.
This is for patient safety and quality surgery for all, towards the new normal.
The Dagupan Doctors Villaflor Memorial Hospital is mindful of this. Thus, in times like this, it is quick to embrace the need for innovation and the initiative to lead.